Still the Senate President. We don't have 13. It's against the law naman, di ba? For all the committees. Simula pa sa pro tempore, we cannot touch the Senate presidency because we don't have 13. This is what the law says. You have to have 13.
Dahil po sa pahayag din ni Senator Erwin Tulfo na yan, na si Senate President Alan Cayetano pa rin ang Senate President, so I address my letter to Senator Alan Cayetano. At sumagot naman po si Senator Cayetano noong Sabado, no? At ang sabi niya rito, if I may read for your convenience the pertinent portion of the letter. Ang sabi po niya sa second paragraph, we must clarify, however, that the hearing purportedly set for 08 June 2026 was not authorized by this office, by Senator Pia Cayetano as committee person, chairperson, or by Senator Rodante Marcoleta. No? So, bakit ko po minarapat na magpunta rito para sana tanungin kay Senator Cayetano itong sulat niya. No? Dahil makikita po din nyo, hindi rin po itong rules ni Senator Robin. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung Section 17 ng Senate Resolution number 5 which was approved on August 9, 2010. No? At ang sinasabi dito, any invitation for a witness or any subpoena should be signed by the chairman of the committee and approved by the president of the Senate. Maliwanag po dito sa Section 17. Kaya po tiningnan ko itong imbitasyon, makikita ninyo rito, wala pong pirma yung nagsasabi na siya yung chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee, wala ring pirma yung Senate President, walang approval. Kaya dyan po kami naguguluhan. No? At bakit ko po nire-raise ito? Dahil naman po sa for our safety and security, no? And we are expecting the good senators to follow their own rules. Itong sinasite ko po na Senate Resolution number 5 provides for the rules governing inquiries in aid of legislation, no? Ito po yung resolution number 5. Okay? So sana naman po ay sinunod ng sumulat sa amin yung sinasaad ng rules ng Senate. Kaya po kami nagpunta rito kay Senator Robin para mapaliwanagan din kami. No? Pangalawa